Hey there, Kalena from Voice Savvy, coming right back at you with another video. So today we're going to be talking about finding the time to practice. Now, do you battle to fit everything into your day? I know I do. I struggle to fit everything in. In this fast-paced world, every minute counts, and sometimes as singers, finding the time to really warm up our voices, practice and learn new techniques can often be quite challenging. And one of the great things about being a singer is that we can take our instrument with us wherever we go, which is great news because this means that it gives us the ability to practice anywhere, and we can practice on the go if we need to, for those of us with busy schedules. I mean, this is great news, right? We can practice on the go. So why is practicing important? So practicing the right vocal exercises for your specific vocal needs on a daily basis is important for your overall development. Singing along without the exercises will not be enough, as the exercises will take your voice through muscle movement that singing alone does not. Now, I like to think of, vocal exercises as going to the gym on my voice. It's like going to the gym when we're doing these vocal exercises. But practicing your vocals on a regular basis will really help you to prevent vocal injury, reinforce good vocal habits, increase vocal stamina, longevity, increase your vocal freedom, and ultimately help you with the overall development of your voice. Now, it's all about really just committing to what you can. When we set ourselves unrealistic practice goals, it can sometimes overwhelm us so much that we end up doing nothing right. But doing something is better than doing nothing. Doing a little something every day is so much better than doing nothing at all. So if you're in the middle of a busy season in your life, and you're finding it hard to put the time aside to practice, then I want you to ask yourself, how much can you realistically commit to, just in this season? If it's only for 5 minutes or 10 minutes a day, then that's fine. You can actually do that on the go, and at least you're committing to doing something rather than nothing. So with that in mind, here are a few tips on some unconventional places where you can practice on the go, as well as some ideas on what you can do. So unconventional places that you can practice, one of them is in the shower. You can begin practicing in the shower with some gentle humming. When you're vocalizing in the shower, it's great because the acoustics sound amazing, and then you've got the steam from the shower, which really creates that humid environment, which is good for your voice. You can practice on the train or the tube. You can start doing some straw exercising and stretching on the train or the tube, and the straw exercise is a good one because it's not too loud. I often do it when the train is moving so that it doesn't disturb anyone too much, though I probably look like a weirdo with a straw in my mouth, but do I care? No. The next one is walking down the street. Again, you could look a little weird, like you're talking to yourself or whatever, but I don't care. Like, I need to do what I need to do to warm up my voice, so you can lip trill or straw through your favorite song melody. If you're on the way to the studio, then maybe try and straw through or lip trill through the songs that you're going to record or the song that you're going to record. And you can just do that on the go, which is great. So by the time you get to the studio, at least your voice is going to be warmed up to a certain extent. In the car, for safety reasons, I would only advise that you do this if you're the passenger and not the driver. I don't want to get anyone into trouble, but you can go as loud as you want in the car, which is great. And try working through a song with some lip trills and some humming, and then just maybe do a little bit of singing, But the whole point of developing vocal technique is so that you can be free to creatively express yourself through the songs that you're singing. So don't forget to sing. You can also, take these exercises and really work them through your favorite song melodies and have some fun with them. One of my favorite quotes is that the only reason for mastering technique is to make sure the body does not prevent the soul from expressing itself, by Lemery. I'm probably pronouncing that wrong, so I apologize if I am, but I love that quote because that is what technique is all about. It's all about creatively expressing ourselves, But that's pretty much it from me. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share these videos with anyone you feel is going to find them beneficial. But I will see you again soon. Mwah. Peace.